If you're getting an image upload error in Gamma, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can upload your image successfully and keep working without delays. This is a super common issue, and in most cases, it comes down to file format, file size, browser settings, or a weak connection. So stay with me, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting your image into Gamma without the error showing up again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick software fixes like this. First, let's start with the easiest fix: convert and compress the image. Gamma works best when your image is in a common format like JPG or PNG, so if your file is in another format, open it in an image editor or even your computer's built-in viewer and save it again as a JPG or PNG. While you're doing that, check the file size carefully. A large image can trigger upload problems, so try to keep it under 5 MB before uploading again. If the image is too large, compress it using an image compression tool, then save the smaller version and try once more in Gamma. This one step alone fixes the issue for a lot of people. Next, if the upload button is giving you trouble, try a different method. Instead of clicking the upload button and browsing through your files, drag and drop the image directly from your desktop onto the Gamma card. In many cases, this bypasses the problem completely. If drag and drop still doesn't work, try copying the image to your clipboard and then press Ctrl+V on Windows to paste it directly into Gamma. Sometimes the browser upload dialog is the problem, and using a different input method can get around it instantly. Now let's check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy shields, script blockers, and tracking protection tools can sometimes interfere with Gamma's upload process. To test this, temporarily disable those extensions and try uploading the image again. If you don't want to turn them off in your normal browser window, open Gamma in an Incognito or private window and test it there. That gives you a clean browser session without most extensions running, which makes it much easier to identify whether one of them is causing the upload error. If the image uploads fine in Incognito, then you've found the cause. Another thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable upload speed can cause Gamma's media servers to time out before the file finishes uploading. If you're on a slow connection, try moving to a stronger Wi-Fi network or switch to a mobile hotspot as a test. Also, disconnect any active VPNs because VPNs can sometimes slow down uploads or create routing issues that affect file transfer. Once your connection is more stable, go back to Gamma and try the upload again. In a lot of cases, this makes the error disappear right away. If you've gone through all of these steps and the upload still fails, go back and recheck the file one more time. Make sure it is definitely a JPG or PNG, make sure your browser is clean and your connection is stable. Then try the drag and drop method again, because that is often the simplest workaround. A lot of upload errors are caused by one small issue, so troubleshooting each step carefully usually gets you to the solution. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix a Gamma app image upload error. To recap, convert and compress the image, try drag and drop or paste with Ctrl+V, disable browser extensions, test in Incognito, and check your internet speed and VPN settings. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.